So we start off, we are pushing out a lot of features, but slowly over time it gets harder and harder and harder. Who has been in this situation? Yeah, 50%. Who has not been in this situation? Just curious. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, interesting. Because usually when I come along, the teams are already here, which is bad because I want to be there when I can actually help them to get better. So what happens actually with the rest of our time? We're still 8 hours in the office. What happens down here? What's that? We are fighting complexity. The systems grows, the infrastructure grows. There is a little shortcut that Steve did last weekend just to get the product out. There was this little architecture glimpse. We said, let's forget it. Let's send the emails from the database. Yes, that's okay. Then we can be much faster. Things like that happen all the time, but they cause a lot of friction. So you're getting slower and slower and slower. And the worst thing is if you're so slow that you're basically killing your product. That's the bad situation. We don't want to end up there. So what could we actually do to not run into this situation here? We could invest time in complexity fighting all the time. So over time, when you think about here, we are still able to deliver features. Now people ask me, hey Peter, how much do you want? Do you spend in quality? I don't know. I see people doing 20% of their time here fighting complexity, clean code, refactoring, all that professional behavior. Or I see it also 30 or 40. And I talk about budgets. So I give the teams or the organization budgets, and I tell, hey, you have certain time where you can improve the system. And this is very important that people are aware, hey, you have time and you can actually use that time. So you could use a budget up here for the product owners. Hey, you have certain time available and the rest of the time is for the team to improve quality. Or the other way down here where you say, hey team, you have reserved 2 days for the whole team where you can rearrange stuff and improve infrastructure, monitoring your data center stuff and things like that.